Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come to you with a slightly different video, maybe a new series, potentially, depending on how it goes. Basically, it's mail day. So today was a particularly good package day, and I thought I would just unbox it and chit chat and talk about what I got and why and share it with you. So this is a mix of lots of things, but there is a really good Chanel item, I think, at the end. It's hard, it can be hard to tell, but we'll just start going through it. So to start is this box from a brand called Bacall that I ordered a few items from Instagram Live. So I think here's the little invoice, set that aside here. And then this is a brand that is by this woman named Cynthia, I think her name's Cynthia Vincent, and she used to be, or she's helped start the brand Vince, and has been designing for a long time, has worked with Fred Siegel, has a very interesting background, and she makes designs for her new brand Bacall, and the little tagline is expertly fit for the true majority you. So very cute, and this is the brand. It's wrapped in tissue here, and oh my gosh, it's a sea of color. I wonder if I don't want to tip the frame. Look at that. Let me just pull them out one at a time. So first, and this is all very like summer wear, beach wear. I mean, you can lounge wear. So first I got this, and I did get, yes, I got 4 caftans. Beautiful, kind of like chiffon, pink caftan, like beach cover up. It's like pretty sheer. And so I would wear this by the pool. We're going to Hawaii in several weeks. And so I'm excited to wear this there. That will be a good one. Okay, that's one. And then on a similar note, also definitely really beachy, I got this black and white like mesh zebra print, also a cover up. I wonder if I can edit in mod shots. We'll see how ambitious I am later. But if I'm feeling really ambitious, they'll appear somewhere. But if I'm not, this is all you get to see. Very pretty. Okay. And then a little change of pace, this sort of linen-y midi dress. This is like a very popular, this puffed sleeve sort of peasant dress look with the ruching and the tie. And there's pockets, and so it's kind of straight down. This is a really pretty pink color, girly moment. And then finally, okay, let's get this box out of the way without ruining everything like last time. And this is maybe my favorite. I've been really into this green color. This is like another kind of caftan style. So with the beach, with a pair of sandals, belted, just at home. I tend to like a caftan better than a robe because I don't like that robes are always opening. I like to be like secured inside, even if I'm just at home lounging. This is so pretty, silk with a little slit. Lovely, love that. Okay, next item, one of my favorite. This is, if you know, you know. Lily Sadugi. She recently released a second collab with a blogger from Atlantic Pacific. And I got 2 headbands, but I think one was on back order. So this is just the first one, and it comes in this cute rainbow bag for the collab. And again, let's get this, my recycling pile, going. This is the blue holly, kind of in this blue neoprene color. Why not throw it on? There's like a whole art to putting on these headbands because I like to do a little bit in front. I don't like to do it all back. I just think it looks funny on me that way. And then kind of, so I have another one in this style that's like a light pink that I wore in London. What do we think? Kind of cute, right? A little preppy, a little fun, just something, gives us something a little extra to the outfit. I could see this with like, I have this blue pinstripe button down and like a white pair of shorts, and it could be like a very preppy look. Okay, next, I think these are a couple vintage items. I've been really into vintage shopping recently. Like this necklace I got is from the 90s. It's like 90s Chanel vintage. And I've been building my vintage Chanel jewelry collection recently, which has been a lot of fun. And actually those pieces, I feel like they're better wearing than the newer Chanel stuff, and they hold their value better if you pick the right thing. Oh my gosh, yes. So this is 2 pieces. I don't know if I'd consider these vintage so much, but they are secondhand. This one is a pink shawl. It's Chanel. Here you can see the little tag. Made in Italy. I don't know what year it is, or if the year would even be on here. This is from a seller that I follow on Instagram called La Histoire, or if you're English, like shop history. But I think it's like a story in French. And look at all the olives and the CCs, and it's a very sheer and big and light. So it's perfect for just like a summer scarf moment. Easy, kind of like if you're going out to dinner and wearing a dress or something, you don't want like that full jacket. But I always like to have like a little extra wrap, and especially like where I live, it can be warm during the day, but it's always cold at night. This is like, I love how thin and beautiful, and the fact that this has like zero snags in it at all. So you imagine I'm like out to dinner with like my glass of wine, very much like living that life. And this other one is so fun. I have been really into this bright blue shade lately, like this lapis lazuli shade. Look at how fun this is. This is from 2018 cruise. Can you see it? It's a giant boat with confetti. La Pasa. This is a silk scarf, so it's more like less of a wrap, more you could like throw it over your shoulder like this, or you could tie a scarf here. Some people look really good like this, but I don't necessarily. Do a little head wrap scarf. I probably wouldn't do that. I could more roll it and then do the like headband, not with the point, like a headband type of thing, or tie it onto a bag. Like this is just like a fun extra accessory, and I've been loving this color blue. This color blue is like everything to me. So it's just like a little extra, and you have the first class cuteness. Add a little cuteness. Also a larger scarf like this, you can kind of wear it like a bib. You know, more like a bandana like this. So cute. And then I got one more, but it came separate. Definitely was feeling the summer scarf situation. This one I feel like is more vintage. I wish they had the dates on them. No date codes for scarves. This one's all like gold jewelry and like gripois sort of designs. And again, it's this blue color that I'm obsessed with. Take this off and untie it. So cute. So shopping vintage is like definitely great to do for scarves too. because you pay less and then you don't have to worry, like if it snags, it snags. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Actually this with this maybe. I'm sorry. Oh, just hanging out on vacation. I love this blue color. There was a wallet on chain at my local Chanel store in this blue color and I should have grabbed it. I'm gonna try and get it. Love. And like the jewelry in here and on, and it's like everything. Okay, last but not least, and this is kind of tangled into a cord, so I'm gonna be very careful. These, if they're what I think they are, and I hope so, piece de resistance. Okay. Woo. There we go. Let's see. Oh, getting slack. So we better wrap this up quickly. Okay, the Chanel box, the thing. These are actually surprisingly hard to get. So when my sales associate said that she could order them, I was like, let's go. It was slightly different texture to this dust bag. It's like a little bit more linen-y. So pretty. These are the pearl slides. And I got them in 39. These say 39C, which I think isn't that a wide size. Maybe it'll be okay though. I don't necessarily have a wide foot. I don't have a narrow foot, so it's like not like a problem. Let's see. Oh no, these are perfection. And let's just check the other one for posterity. I look a little crazy, huh, with the headband. Maybe the headband needs to go back. Perfect. The lambskin leather and the pearl. Bottom, these are size 39C, which I think is technically a wide, but I'm not bothered by that. Like I said, I don't have a wide foot, but I definitely don't have a narrow foot. Normally just like normal shoes fit. So cute. So cute. And the perfect little addition. Oh, if you could see me now. Anyway, that is just my really quick video of things that arrived in the mail today. Today was particularly good. I will see if I have it in me to kind of insert a little picture of me modeling the caftans. Otherwise, use your imagination. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this mail day video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what packages you're waiting for in the mail, and I will talk to you later. Okay, talk to you later, guys. Bye.